So we're getting to the point right here on the 64. We've gone through the engine. We've gone through all the cooling system. We've gone through the suspension, rebuilt it, the brakes, put new wheels and tires on it. But a big project on here is getting everything inside to fit and have the fit and finish with it. So we worked on the windows, the doors, the latches, the dash. So we want to show you what we upgraded and a few little pieces. We're still tuning things in a little bit, but come check it out.